So it's up to you guys. It's our responsibility. We have the opportunity to take that responsibility for ourselves in our lives. Only you. You suffer when you don't clean. Nobody else. Well, I'm not going to clean. I don't like my husband. Okay, stay with him some more. There you go. Keep it up. Add to it, man. Have some fun. Get in there. Rumble. Look at all the married people are laughing. Yeah, it's that crazy. I've heard in consultations when they says, I'm not going to clean with that SOB. I'm not doing it. I laugh my head off. Okay, we
Good
can
luck.
realize what you just said. I love him so much and I love this so much. I'm going to stay. So, but that's how we get with all these things. If you think you're right and they're wrong, it's a lockdown. Locked in, locked down, no way out.